Hello, cartoon for user. Yes, today I would like to show you how to animate the character to play football. So I use 3D motion, yeah, to do this. Okay, so I would like to play. Okay, like that. So I would like to create new that I have this football scene already. Yeah, so I would like to save this prompt. Spot. Okay, yes. Okay, plus. Okay, sorry. Prop spawn stadium. So I put this one. Sorry. Click plus again. Yes. Okay, this one stadium goes. Okay, this name. So you can now find and download this goalkeeper. Okay. So I would like to create new. Okay. Drag and drop. Yeah, like this. And after that, after I use the dummy, it easy dummy. So this dummy have a bag. Okay, the first thing I would like to lock this prop stadium, this one. Okay, and use this dummy here and another dummy. Side, this one. Sorry, front dummy. Okay, and beside these two here. Okay, today. This one. Okay, now I would like to use a ball, so I can find prop. Yeah, right click to find this one. No, team plan. The moment I click prop, custom, so I would like to find in team plan. Ball. BALL. Okay, this one, and drag and drop. And open timeline and click object reality. So I would like to use 3D motion. Click animate, click custom, and click this one. This 3D motion also kick. Yes, also kick penalty. So this I play. Okay, and I use flip body and use body review. Okay, and I'll rotate it. Yes. 0 degree minus. Okay, the same. And I disable enable the until this enable the z axis. Okay, and play. Okay, after that I click apply. Okay, and click motion. So I would like this kick. I think it's not good. Okay, again. Again, it's not good. I would like to turn like this, okay, like this, and click body and click raw view. So try to test again, and disable this one. Okay, like that. I get that. Apply. Okay, and this one I would like to drag up like this. Sorry, and find pick one. Yeah. Zoom. Right here. Okay. Yeah, after that, so ball fly. So I click ball and click transform. Double click here, and after click run here. Okay, double click and drag ball to this to yeah, zoom in. Down here. So I use this curve. Yeah, click this curve, and in the middle I would like to here 75% of this two keyframe. I drag like this up to the right. Again. Okay, and after that, so ball is fall down in view keyframe. Up and down. Down. Up. Down. And a bit rotating. Okay, like that. So the ball is not stand still, so you would like to delete the first keyframe here. Delete. You see, it's gone effect. If you do not, if not delete, so you see this ball is a bit slimy. See, not good. Just delete the first frame. Okay, and okay, like that. And this one, so I would like to use this source decor. Yeah, and play. It's jump to the left, so I would like to flip and uh, drag this to like this. Okay, and review. Okay, so play. Okay, it jump to this one. Okay, and when we have paid this, so would like to check this hand. Yeah, I would like to adjust body. So next. From the first, so next. Okay, I apply now. So I disable this. See, so okay, apply. Okay, when apply, so I would like to see this point of this goalkeeper point. Yeah, so I would like to see this motion. Yeah, and ball is run to there. Which frame? This one, keyframe. So I drag here to this key. Okay, and this keyframe, so I would like to transform this, double click here and start jump here. Okay, double click, click here and drag this one. Okay, yeah, so yeah, and for the first frame I would like this character, so we stand like a goalkeeper. Just click. Okay, and first keyframe set key, and next is key. Okay, and we just lock this one and just drag this hip down. Okay, and pick this leg, this one, and reverse one and reverse. I would like to copy this. Okay, Control V. So inside this one, so if you not reset, so you see not look good. You see, this character not look good. So this one you would like to here. Okay, just reset. Click here and reset. See, yeah, okay, again. This work no more. Okay, so play. Okay, like that. I use a camera to control this. Okay, and open this project and a camera. Point, so I would like to zoom in. And this one is zoom again. And before zoom in, so this point I would like to copy this frame to put here your frame. Yeah, play again. Okay, then and after that, so stand up here. I would like to zoom out. Okay, zoom in. Okay, play. That's it. Okay, and this one I will render here. I click here, and after that I click this one and click use mp4 and export as if you want 10 htp. Okay, like that and click export. Okay, you will get this video and easy. You can add music if you want. Okay, so I leave this. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this help you, and if you think it's helpful, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, so I would like to provide this scene called football scene. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. So if you would like to add more scene, you can add scene background. I mean background. So any background that you can add, like this. I will drag and drop. So I close camera first. Okay, and you will see this scene. I can adjust this scene as far away like this and like this and drag up. See when okay when we play, so like that. Okay. And you see when we play, so okay, I forget to right click to remove animate this scene. Play. Okay. Okay, thank you, see you next tutorial, bye bye.